TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finish down 729. NASDAQ off 259. S&P's off 70. That's a downdraft, folks, in the Dow of 2.8%, 2.5% in the NASDAQ Composite, and 2.1% on the S&Ps. Gold contract rejected lower price, ended up $14. 1784 gold, folks. Looks like it's going to be busting the top side next week. I've been trying that for 3 months. We've been in a 3-month consolidation, monster consolidation. It is in an ABC structure on the way up, has been since April 7th, with a price projection of 1821 to 1825. Silver up 7 cents, $17.97. Light sweet crude off 47 cents, trading $38.25 a barrel. Notes and bonds, that's something we're going to watch next week too. Why? Notes and bonds have been in a 3-month consolidation. Also, 10-year today up 8 ticks, trading 139.05. 30-year up 27 ticks, trading out here at a price point of 179.02. They both, folks, are at the top of the range. We'll see whether they're going to bust topside. Busting topside would mean higher price, lower yield. Right now, the 10-year is yielding 0.65 of 1%. King Dollar had a major failure out here this week, folks. Was traded flat. That being said, we're at 97,427. When you take a look at the March lows, June 10th, we came down to the high of the March lows, rejected the lower price. Try to bounce again. Guess what? It couldn't even get to the 0.382 retracement, which it did a week and a half ago. Gave it up in spades. King Dollar, you're going to see King Dollar making the run down to these March lows. That's about the 94 number. Euro's at 112, the yen is at 107.20, and the British pound's at 123. We get open, it doesn't matter whether you take a look at the S&P or the NDX 100. They both came down on volume. Bottom line, you're at down $7.26 in the SPY. You're at $300.09. You already dug into the highs of the lows of last week. Next stop down here, $296. That's only $4 from where we are, folks. And the real dangers on the SPY is if you get into 294, then you're in a whole nother lower range, which would set up into this area of 272. When you go to the NDX 100, you have the same setup inside the NDX. And one of the biggest things to watch, folks, is the banks. The banks are very close to going into the lows of March, and Wells Fargo, it looks like it's going to bust the lows of March. You get that happening in the marketplace, you're going to have some high volatility. Have a great weekend, folks. Have a safe weekend. Come back and visit us Monday. Tommy kicks us off 8:30 in the morning market kickoff. Look at him, folks.